Hello, good morning, students. I hope you all are enjoying studies at home. So, today we are going to discuss the exercise on the chapter The Little Girl. As you have completed this chapter previously, so you're supposed to open your textbook at page number 38, and the name of the textbook is Beehives. Firstly, we are going to discuss the exercise Thinking About the Text. Over here, you can see two columns are there, and you have to match it for column A against column B. In column A, you are given certain words, and in column B, you have to match the conditions which are certain pertaining to the column A. For example, the first one. First word is fear or terror. What does it mean? Yes, it means a very frightening or terrifying condition when you're feeling so much scared. So you have to match the incident with it. Firstly, you have to read out all the incidents which are there. So the first one is father comes into her room to wave her a goodbye kiss. Does it match? No. So fear or terror condition would be father comes home. As soon as he reaches home, so girl Kezia, she was scared at that time. So you can match in front of father comes home, you can write number 1. Then speaking to father again, you can put number 1. So there can be more than one incident. Number 3 again, for the third instance, it could be going to bed when alone at home. So when nobody was at home, so she feels scared or she was in the terrifying condition to stay alone in the bedroom. And again, against this, going to bed when alone at home, you can put number 1. Then father stretched out on the sofa snoring. Again, in this condition, she was feeling a bit fear in her mind. Clear? So second one is glad sense of relief. So when she feel relief, yes, when father comes into her room to give her a goodbye kiss, that means she from that condition she was just able to assume that father is about to leave. So that's why she was having the glad sense of relief. So against this you can put number 2. Then noise of the carriage grows fainter. Against this case also she was feeling the glad sense of relief. Put number 2 over here. Then number 3, third in the A match, column A is a funny feeling perhaps of understanding. So what was the funny feeling which was just coming into her mind was father comforts her and falls asleep. So at that time she was feeling funny. Why so? Because it was just opposite, because she was feeling that the father was too much strict for him, but it was not so. That's why she was feeling funny. Clear? So after this we are going to discuss the second part. Answer the questions in 1 or 2 sentences. I think you all must find the answers first, then listen to it. Why was Kezia afraid of her father? Yes, Kezia was afraid of her father because her father was very strict and dominated everyone in the house. Are you getting the answer? He appeared to big in size from where she could see him. So where the description is given about the father, you can find the answer. He never seemed to smile, so Kezia was always afraid of him. Clear? So this is the first answer. Next is, who were the people in Kezia's family? So from the characters it was very much clear. Kezia's family consisted of her father, mother, grandmother and herself. She herself. Along with that, they were also accompanied by Alice, the cook, and she was also considered as a part of the family. Clear? So third question was, what was Kezia's father's routine? First one was before going to his office. What was his routine? So answer to this could be, before going to his office, her father would give her a casual kiss and in return she would wish him goodbye. Clear? Second part, after coming back from his office, so what was his routine? After coming back from his office, he would ask for a cup of tea, newspaper and for his slippers. He would ask Kezia to pull off his boots and take them outside. So once you have done the thorough reading of the chapter, smoothly you are able to get the answers to these questions. So, what was Kezia's father's routine on Sundays? Answer: on Sundays, he would stretch out on the sofa, his face covered with his handkerchief, his feet on one of the best cushions, sleeping soundly and snoring. And I guess you all might be knowing the meaning of the word snoring. Fourth question to this is: in what ways did Kezia's grandmother encourage her to get to know her father better? So grandmother, she was helping her this girl Kezia to feel better with her father. So that's why what she was doing, she was sending her on Sundays to have the nice talk with the parents. So answer could be: Kezia's grandmother encouraged her to get to know her father better by sending her to the drawing room on Sundays to have a nice talk with him. She told her to make a pin cushion as a gift to her father on his birthday.